Hello Amaze Tech viewers. In this video, let's unbox and have a look at DJI Mic Mini. This video is made in collaboration with AliExpress Influencer Program. Let's unbox and have a look inside. Inside the box, we have the user manual, few stickers, and the main package. Let's open the main package. Let's see what's inside this carry case. It has a couple of noise eliminator covers. It has the Type-C charging cable and a 3.5 mm cable. Quality of this carry case is very good. Inside this main box, we have all the transmitters, receiver, and few other accessories. Now let's open the main box. Let's open the seal. It has two transmitters and one receiver inside. This is the receiver module which we attach to DSLR cameras and smartphones. This receiver is connected with smartphone through this Type-C accessory. These two transmitters are wireless and can be attached to shirt using this magnetic attachment. Overall, this is a well-designed digital microphone solution which can be used with DSLR cameras and Type-C smartphones.